Here's MUBR apps, see what your friends listen. It's a new trendy app, especially on TikTok. It's basically app slash widget where you can just install this widget and see what your friends listening to on Spotify, Apple Music. So just open up the app and then you need to create an account. You need to log in with Spotify or Apple Music. And then, yeah, basically you need to install the widget in the process. So what you need to do, just tap and hold, you will see apps jiggling, and then tap plus, and then you just can install the widget. Just tap MUBR, something like that. And then there is only size of the widget, one size, and then yeah, then you just tap done, and then you will see like this is what your friends currently listening on Spotify, Apple Music. I don't know how to select, different friends here, because right now it's just like one person, but then you will just have friends here. You have multiple friends. You will see also in the feed what recently they played, and that's basically the idea. Also, is quite cool app to discover what other people is similar taste are listening to. You can follow them, and then you can just discover some nice songs in that way. Then also you can have it, there is a feed. Unfortunately, this feed is locked. If you're in the free version, you can just see what other people are listening to. You can just unlock more if you upgrade, and then you can just see all the other music recommendations, kind of like in Tinder / TikTok style, where you just swipe through the songs and swipe to the right if you like the song, swipe to the left if you don't like it. And yeah, it's another way just to discover some cool songs. You can also enable some filters in the top right, and then here in the bottom right there is also like your playlist, which these are the songs which you just saved from that discovery feed. So yeah, that's what it is. That's the idea. And then there are a bunch of settings in the top right where you can just contact MUBR team. You can reach out for some features. There's lockscreen widgets. You can also change your name. There is subscription. Yeah, by the way, so if you want to upgrade to MUBR Pro version and just, don't have all these limits, then no swipes limit, faster track updates, you can just, upgrade 1 month for $5, which is pretty cheap. So that's what it is, and you can just upgrade. Then if you're not happy, you can delete your account in the bottom just to remove your data. And that's basically the idea. And also, by the way, there is also like a lock screen widget. So if you just tap on wallpaper, you can just tap customize and then just add lock screen widget from here. Like this, you just tap on it, and then your lock screen widget should appear in this way. So that's what it is. So hope that is helpful. Yeah, this app is also available on Android, so it's pretty cool. So if you want to add more friends, you can just tap to add friends and then just add them from the contact, or you can just invite friends with the link, and then you can just invite more friends like this. Yeah, again, it's available on Android, so yeah, it's not limited just to iOS users. So that's what it is.